Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. Today I'm finally filming a video for you guys because this week has been crazy. I've been fed up with college work, but it's finally all over, kind of. Like, I still have finals and some other tests I need to take, but just like this week is almost over. So I decided to clean up my house a little bit today, just because I wanted to be ready when I decide to put my Christmas tree up. So this is going to be like the process of me building my Christmas tree and like decorating it and all. So I'm so excited for you all to watch. But right now, I've had this for a couple of days now. This is the present that I have for my grandmother, and I wanted to like film myself. I can't open it. I wanted to film myself just like putting it all together for her. I'm still not going to give it to her till Christmas, but I just want to like get it over with. Like, I really want to have like all the Christmas presents like done for. So we'll do that right now. Also guys, I wanted to show you two things that I don't know if you know what they are, but these are like two bottles, and here in Puerto Rico we actually use these bottles to put what's called coquito, and basically I think it can be compared to what's eggnog. So I bought one for my boyfriend. It has this like really cute guitar here, and I love like the image of it. It just says Navidad Boricua, which basically means like Puerto Rican Christmas. And in this picture you can see like the three kings. Like, we have a holiday here in Puerto Rico around like the first week of January, and it's called the Three Kings Day, and basically like those are the three kings from that holiday. So they are super cute, and I cannot wait to make some coquito. Hello guys, what's good? Tell me. I just arrived from the mall buying some Christmas presents and some Christmas presents from myself to myself. So yeah, I also went to Starbucks. They finally opened a Starbucks where I live, so I'm super excited to go, always. I bought an almond croissant, which is really good, you guys. I also got this birthday cake pop. I just wanted to come here and like wrap some Christmas presents before we assemble the tree. I'm waiting for my boyfriend. He's in his apartment and he's playing like a Mario like game. How's it called? Smash Bros. Mario Smash Bros. Hey. So he's finally back from playing. So we're gonna put the Christmas tree together. We got the goods. So this is a tree right here without anything on. we're just going to be putting the lights on now and some other things, and yeah, but it's so pretty. Love it, love it, love it, love it. We have two other things that I got out of the storage. Let's see what's inside. Oh yes, yes, a little sock, a hat, another sock. Oh, this little guy, I totally forgot about this little guy. And then Santa. Guys, oh my god, I totally forgot about them. Oh my god. These are like actual like dog toys, but they're so cute and I can't with them. Nope. I need to have them in my life. I couldn't give it to my dog. But yeah. Ooh, so many decorations. I cannot wait to actually put that. Okay guys, so this is how it's turning out to be. I also put some presents and a pumpkin, a scarecrow with a Christmas hat because it's so cute, and a Santa Claus, and all my presents for my family. Look at how pretty it's turning out to be. I'll update you tomorrow of what I do. I also wanted to show you this area right here. I bought a little Christmas tree and I put this on top. It had these decorations from last year's Christmas. I also got the reindeer Rudolph right here, looking all pretty. My cactus blossom candle that I bought Black Friday. But yeah, it's so cute. The little tree that I put as well, and like 2 jars, and also these things right here in the refrigerator that says peace and hope. So yep. But yeah guys, I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to go tomorrow to Alice to buy every single thing that I'm missing, and I'll catch up with you guys then. So good night, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye guys. So we just arrived from Alice and now we're going to assemble. Babe, why do you keep doing the same thing? Guys, so we just arrived from Alice and now we're just going to put everything that we bought on the Christmas tree. So let's see how good it looks. Look at the curtains, so pretty. We put some lights, as you saw. The lights go like all the way down here, but that doesn't show a lot, but it looks so cute, like that little thingy. I love it. Now we're going to put on the lights and keep decorating. guys, so this is how the set turned out to be. Look at this little thing right here with some Christmas stockings and F for my name. We have this chair with a Christmas hat and a pillow that says fa la 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 la. Then we have the tree. Look at how pretty it looks. And we have some lights going down with the curtains. In general, everything looks so beautiful. Let me give you a close-up of some of my favorite things from the tree. Look at this. This is one of my favorite things. Then we have this one. We also have this cute little reindeer, a gold reindeer. We have these leaves right here. I already showed you this, but look at how beautiful this looks. Those heels look fantastic over there, and we have one here as well. And another of my favorite thing is this thing right here. Everything looks so pretty, guys. I'm so happy we finally did it. Get ready to see videos looking at this set right here. So cute. So cute. Okay guys, so that is it for my Christmas, like mount the Christmas tree with me. I really hope that you all enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for many more videos with this background right here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.